Imagine this. You finally start your business. You have the idea, the passion, the plan. But then you look at your logo and it feels cheap, generic, or just wrong. Your logo is the first thing people notice. And today, I'll show you how to find a professional logo designer on Fiverr without wasting money or time. When I first searched for a logo designer, I was overwhelmed. Thousands of gigs, prices from $5 to $500. Everyone claimed they were the best. I made mistakes, so you don't have to. Go to Fiverr and type logo design. But don't stop there. Use filters. Choose 4.8 plus rating, top rated or level 2 sellers. Packages instead of single $5 offers. This instantly removes beginners and risky options. Never buy a logo without checking the portfolio. Ask yourself, do these logos look modern? Would I trust this brand? Does the style match my business? A good designer shows real brand variety, not the same logo repeated. Don't just look at stars. Read the written reviews. Look for comments about communication, revisions, delivery time. Happy clients tell the real story. Before ordering, send a short message. Hi, I need a logo for my business. Can you help? A professional designer replies clearly and confidently. If they don't, move on. Fiverr has amazing logo designers. You just need to know how to find them. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and start building a brand that actually looks professional.